4:59 in the morning, and there's nothing romantic about waking up so early. I'm just trying to be a part of the 5 a.m. club. Why? Because Instagram said so, and I want to go post that story about me running. It's so tough. Wake up in the morning and say hi to your skincare. Hello, skincare. Love you. It's the only thing that's gonna love you forever. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Girls, you wanna ask a valid question to your man. Ask him, why does he brush so hard? I don't understand why every man brushes so aggressively. We're always in a rush. Rushing to break up, rushing to leave you, rushing to get our heart broken. Yeah. Here, running is the first lie. You think this feels good? No, it is so difficult to get to it. You know how every Instagram motivational video says, discipline over motivation? Yeah, that's because motivation is fast asleep right now. It's 6 a.m. Protein. Wow. You know how people can eat pav bhaji forever? I can drink protein shakes because I'm a gym bro. Okay, we're late for work. Let's go. 2 muscles a day, that's the goal. You know, not because I want a six-pack, because I need a system. I think that's what I respect about the older generation. I mean, they did one thing every day for 30 years straight. And that's when they became successful. But the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to do the same thing every day. Look at me being all wise in the morning. I'm chilling in the rocker room ready to take a steam. It's only 7:30 a.m. I have the whole day in front of me. I love this so much. And then the world goes quiet. Meditation is boring, very boring, but so is overthinking. This helps me. You know, even if it's for 8 minutes. Welcome to my skincare TEDx talk. You know, I've never been that kind of guy. 10 in 1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash, everything in one, face wash. I can't do that. If a product has a job, let it do its job. Come with me, let me show you my routine. My skincare routine is very basic, yeah. It's like toothpaste level basic, but it's essential and it works. Step 1, cleanse. I go in with this deep cleanser from Clinique. I like it because it's gentle and it doesn't dry my skin. And you know, it leaves my skin feeling fresh. Next, I like using the Blackhead Power Liquid from COSRX. Especially after sweating. I do as much as possible to avoid clogged pores. The most important part, especially for boys. If you're dry like my love life, at least keep your face moisturized. Yeah, there is no need to take digs at my life. Even if you're indoors, even if it's raining, even if you're outdoors, it doesn't matter. If sun hits your skin, you use SPF. I've recently added this one from Fré. It's a 50 SPF UVA-UVB. It feels so light on the skin. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Come, sun. Sun, hit me. Sun. Last but not the least, I use this lip balm from Laneige. Girls, you know we have softer lips than you, right? Like the ratio is 90:10. 90% boys have better lips than girls. Our heart is the only thing that is cracked, not our lips. Bruh. I really like the Laneige lip balm. It gives you that... Haters will say I did that with my mouth. Everything after the gym is self-respect. Small acts of dignity before the chaos begins. You've got to look sexy and smell sexy. Dior Sauvage. The best a man can get, and the worst a woman can get. Some mornings I hate it, but every day I thank myself for showing up. I don't think I'm trying to be better than anyone else. I'm just trying to be less of a mess than yesterday. Yeah, just need to hold it all together. I've realized it's easy to perfect your job, but making sure other people do their job correctly, it's too tough. It's too tough. And so we have lots of crises to deal with today. But the conclusion here, and the point I'm trying to make is, no matter what happens in this world, you might fail, you might do well, you might even break a few hearts, but nothing comes above my cleanser, toner, sunscreen, moisturizer, lip balm, and perfume. These things might make me toxic, but for others, for me, it's self-care. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe. Who knows what happens tomorrow? Just do your skincare, man.